Mami ma wakwaba enfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo ewo efia pokia vim lady a we journalist. Ni show a wat ni din jaso ewo OK FM endra discussion awomo eye ena abedwafo a omo ba so me chene guest a omo ba so no. Efia pokia ebiso omo say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as 7th December yekoto aba eyi ni say Omedi enso no so far ni performance no so mo rating na na how many percent na 7th December yekoto aba no January 7th January and almost when in as president I will start here in Ejuma January February March into air 3 months and I say enya 3 months performance no and come rate on mama paying His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. What's the 5%? 5% to no crowd will work as a money make a man 1%. Do nyame. Because this second coming of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I don't think madness. Me who left from the right, who the community who na who baby I am na me. And so Ghana for say the savior has come. Ajinkwanaba. And no more read the budget. The moons and bebremo. Say budget and one motel to card mo so na the NDC full year not just in yasem ketokra. What's all man 5%? Then say no is the ekoi.
Right. It now be some say on a scale no nema semi president the performance. To be honest with you, Ubisamia, make us say a 5 out of 100. Probably the only thing now why many ajehu a appointment where wama omo ye adwuma no wa reward wo no de mebo na ba so pa if say obi a woni ne corporate power no usaka power esemu nyina mo enjoy power no enkonkodi ni pa bi nsem na ades no ensofa unlike the MPP where the grassroots any nipedi bi ebeye campaign den omu win power se power ba pe we no bi fi be no the big portfolio I'm Professor this I'm Dr. this na waba na MPP is believed to have that intellectual supporters ni ade no maba obu okra once the kura no ntiri ebida na waba beji position yes say all party members no ukọ ni nchen a o fiu kwamre ono na breye so and saade na MPP for year no over the years no e ka ho bi na omalusu elections because grassroots reach say yan ko pay juma mo bi papa what you have here yan ko pay juma mo bi papa eni e ba ko salai na obi papa ababegnya position
minority leader so far he's done well baby ayechima no na no me beka so ohunum na nkofo committee no so e wa appointment ho no dodo ono awagbagidi but he called on his people so omunya come because ono who say blame game no mboa omo blame game no mboa omo.
The way to deal with it is not to go out there and say all manner of things. So, dear party members, let's take it easy on ourselves. Let's not be too hard on ourselves. It's a period of Lent. As Christians, let's use this period to reflect, raise our higher selves.
She's not responsible for her father's action. It is unfair to even link her to her father's action. Ono sata manene papa ku no kana zeneto ne o saying e bi afa ni awo no e bi odi 2 years and bibi 3 years and bibi sa zeneto is not responsible for any papa action but Rollins kill people. They shot a champion. What should be amoya Ghana Airways amu go Ghana Airways now? Is there a justification for a champion no be operation feed yourself? A champion no be feed down suman. A champion no be Ghana ye. In fact, none of us are a bafwa Jumediaka. A champion who ye can a champion quest back
because ye sika no edika ahye.
Tika na
Ahye. And now call bank so interest no too much.
Yes, do maybe now containers no cry just a muntimi foul.
Edaso horses here.
It's a flat rate, To say be a container 40 feet to your 40,000.
Yes.
And near me womb near the near once.
Yes.
Would the only thing is a man for contraband goods,
yes. Because
spare parts now far. Your trust spare parts in was say 40 feet at 30,000.
And one man be so.
When you tell we are only will be any Kubase, yeah, Joe near my national security sembia.
Papa, and one man be so. Nigeria for ye, Burkina for ye. Other neighboring countries say we are winning and almost ye. And you would never bar. Ye call Butia, ye track a mummy, you know. Nigeria follow. Golf, no chum, you know, no just contain Yan castle obis case you, but Ghana will track out me now to check container ma. Cost of bet you say. Uriaka no eso ni nyina Nigeria for ye kwa ye nyina eni nyina na wo abuchi ho omo ba ka ne ba mo twetwam mienu omo tutu pass no kra wo be 6 cars no de ahye container nim omo kwa de ne ka eto apem no watwa no de asi de ne ka enim apem no watwa no de asi bas Ghana ukotwa ka mienu na de ahye container mu
ye be ka so e komfo wa wi aka
ene na me ka say kwa me na yo menema efi temaba no bla ma bla sa ne ma na bedu ne no
ya na di entra
I say do tia yetua ne sha still wo
to mo expect ya ban we say o ma mo ho yin ha mo flat rate
si ko ma zi gu a
e magazine ye egu
awie ese kwan ye o mo ye kra no a speed a wo so mo de kwan ne ma ye no
eno so ma tete amamanfo kra
3 years ese I want half year there by BBS go slow obi beto ade kra no go slow no dwane
eti o ma
se e fefo ni bi yi ni ma no sunyan ni omo de doje e mekuma se kra e mekuma se eti ye besre aban we de yenim se wa ba second time eti kanen na wanti a we de obeti because o se wa ba resetting eti yenim se obeti mazi for so na wa resetting na yeso ya be ka resetting no
it's a more chain say flat rate no on famra
flat rate na on famra
because wa ka ho asem
e kwan na asem ne de o ma beteche mu but in future no so doso
ti o mu ngusunsu
no intente mayen na o mu speed kakra e mayen se ne be ya mazi for so yibinya
o magazine de a big industrial hub I kura kumase
e say obi oni ani daso ba mazi na obenya ni daso Mitu say na me da so bia mba mazi na benya ni da so.
That's right. And now we are vice chairman.
Yes, matini kwa be 100. Almost na o ma benya ni da so. Enti ada enti na adwuma no mpe bi mayen. De ye no so a aban bia ba no pese ogu no. Aya se enti yesere no president ka say obi my flat rate. Yesere no budget of fashion. Yesere mo. Onye bibia akra ma mazi fo a ye flat rate ndi of mayen.
Or the mama so a mo so mo ho be ha mo betima a business
no cost of for no happen
cost of for no too much
yeah
the kubasi for no kra